Firework Stash Part 2 for Bonfire Night this year. These are bits from I picked up yesterday from Galactic Fireworks in Dinnington. It was their sale day. I picked up a Supernova rocket, just one of them, because I didn't have infinite funds, unfortunately. This is a silver strobe one, absolute beast. 163 grams, category 3. Couldn't really go wrong with it. I think it's almost at the limit you're out of explosive content in a rocket. But yeah, one of the best rockets going, this Supernova strobe. If you can get one, get it. They're pretty expensive though. 2 packs of Dum Bum candle sets. Got this year, it's got 2 Dum Bum candles in the pack, which is unlike last year, only had 1, so even better. Not sure about these 2 yellow ones, but I picked them up anyway because, well, it was cheap. It was 12 quid a pack, so it's, what is it, a few pound a candle, so it's pretty damn good. I'll take it. Got them. Also, I got Neptune's Trident by Magnum Series. I do believe Magnum Series have gone bust, so I thought I might as well pick something up from them, see what it's like. But yeah, quite a nice piece. Fanned. 495 grams of powder, which is pretty good for £20 that I paid for it. It's around 30-second fire time in banks of 3, which is very nice. Not many fireworks like this for cheap fan fireworks, and you can set off at 8 meters, so great really for what you get. But yeah, that is Neptune's Trident by Magnum Series. This was also on discount at the sale. Finally, we've got a Oceanic by Celtic. Absolutely maximum bore, 36 shot, 738 grams of powder. So it's a £70 firework kit, and I got it for 25. Absolutely amazing. Giant gold palms, beautiful, beautiful. For what you get, for the price I paid for this, absolutely, I couldn't go wrong with it really. Especially the pricing. So yeah, that is what I got for the Part 2 stash. I've got more coming later next week, so it should be good. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.